welcome to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix CapCut lags. So if your CapCut is also lagging, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to fix it. So first of all, launch open CapCut. You can see over here, I've already opened it. So if your CapCut is lagging, what you have to do is click on these three lines that you can see right over here. You can see over here, three options will pop up. At second, you'll be able to see option for preview. All you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here, two options will pop up, best performance and best quality. You have to switch to best performance so that the video will run smoothly. You can see over here, it is switched to best performance. Now if it is still lagging, what you have to do is click in any part of the video. Now you'll be able to see modify option right over here. Click on it. Now this kind of box will pop up. Now in the frame rate, you can see over here there is 30.00 FPS. Click on it. Make sure it is on 24.00 FPS. Now go to performance. You can see proxy option over here. You can see a button. All you have to do is toggle it. Now your editing will be smoother. Now at the bottom you can see option for save and cancel. All you have to do is click on the save option, which is at the left. Now after that, your lagging problem in CapCut must stop. But if it still persists, make sure to restart the CapCut app. But after restarting also, if your CapCut is still lagging, you can restart your computer and then your lagging problem will be solved. So that is how you fix CapCut lags. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.